Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check watch history on Twitter. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search for Twitter. So open Twitter. Here you need to search and open Twitter and click on your profile picture on the top left. Here you need to scroll down and click on settings and support. Click on settings and privacy. Here you need to click on your account and click on download and archive of your data. It will take few seconds, and here you need to verify your password, so you need to enter your password here, and after that you can download an archive of your data, and basically it includes your watch history as well. So this is the only method possible to see your watch history on Twitter. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.